Hey you guys, welcome and welcome back to my channel. I am iteshamarie. Today I am going to be giving you guys a full review of the Olaplex hair products. I have been kind of teasing these products on my Instagram stories. If you're not following me, make sure you follow me there at @therealiteshamarie. I'm super excited to give you guys my thoughts, my review on the line of Olaplex products, how it worked on my hair. So if you're interested in seeing my thoughts, if I feel like the Olaplex products work, if I feel like they are worth it, then make sure you keep watching. All right, so let's go ahead and get into it. So for starters, my hair is natural. I don't have a relaxer in my hair. My hair is chemically treated because I do have color in my hair. As you can see, I did get the front little strips bleached at a salon. That was one of the main reasons why I picked up the Olaplex products, because I did want to make sure that I keep my hair healthy, since I do have like color and bleach in my hair. I don't want my hair to just like fall to pieces. So if you're familiar with Olaplex, their products are numbered. I'm going to show you what I have starting from the lowest number to the highest. So I have number 0 and number 3. These are the minis and they did come in a kit. I also have number 4 and number 5, which are the shampoo and conditioner. I have number 7, which is the bonding oil. And lastly, I have number 8, which is the Bond Intense Moisture Mask. As always, everything that I'm showing you guys today will be listed down below in the description box. So if you're interested in picking up or trying any of these products, you can click the links below and check them out for yourself. Let's go ahead and get started with number 0 and number 3. So the reason I'm showing these to you guys together is because I think they are supposed to be used together. However, you can use number 3 by itself. I have used number 3 by itself. Personally, I didn't feel like it did very much for me using it alone. Number 0 is the intensive bond building hair treatment. Number 3 says that it repairs and strengthens all hair types. The full size of this actually comes in a spray bottle. So that's the first thing that I'm going to say about this mini. I don't like the way that you dispense it. You have to just like squirt it in your hair and it gets messy and it gets everywhere. So what I tend to do is I just put it in my hand and kind of like rub my hands together and try not to drop all of the product, and then just smooth it through my hair. You leave that on for 10 minutes and then you go in with number 3 and put that on top of it for 10 more minutes. So basically what this is a pre-treatment before you go in and shampoo your hair. And it is a bond building treatment. What I can say about these two products together, I do feel like they work. So I did feel like my hair felt like a little bit stronger after I used these two products in it, and it didn't feel hard and crunchy. So I know that there are some protein treatments that you use before a shampoo, and it can kind of leave your hair feeling like hard and crunchy and just like brittle, and you're scared to touch it because it feels like it's going to break off. This didn't feel like that. This actually felt very good in my hair. I was able to like easily run my fingers through my hair with this in it. It doesn't feel like a conditioner. It just feels like my hair is damp with this in it. Like, it doesn't feel like it's moisturizing my hair or anything. It literally just feels like it's treating my hair and just strengthening it before we go into shampoo and condition it. Do I feel like they are a staple? Not really, and I'll tell you the reason why as I review the other products. The only thing is I would not get this without getting this. Like, if you're going to get number 0, you definitely need number 3, because otherwise you're just like putting this liquid in your hair and it's not really going to do anything if you don't put number 3 on top. But if you want to just get number 3, I've heard people say that number 3 does work really well by itself. Personally, when I use number 3 just by itself, I did have like the full size bottle of this before I bought this little mini kit. Number 3, I don't feel like it really did very much for my hair just by itself. I feel like it definitely worked better together. Okay, so moving on to the shampoo. Oftentimes, for me, a shampoo is just a shampoo. I never feel like any significant change in my hair after a shampoo, but with this, I would buy this again. And the reason why is because, for one, it's sulfate free. I never use shampoos that have sulfates in them just because I feel like they really strip my hair. But when I use this shampoo in my hair, it feels super duper creamy. It feels like it was conditioning my hair. I wasn't expecting that for it to be a shampoo. And it did lather up, even though it's sulfate free. I feel like it really was cleaning my hair felt clean, but it did not feel stripped at all. I was kind of impressed with that, especially since it's a bond maintenance shampoo. My hair felt super duper soft after I just shampooed it. It felt like a shampoo and a conditioner all at once. I was just like really impressed by this shampoo. So this is definitely one that I would purchase again because my hair feels so soft. My curls, I feel like my curls were really like bouncing back when I was shampooing it with this. My curls really felt like really moisturized and defined when I was shampooing it. I would definitely buy this again. I would buy this in the bigger size. This is like the mini size. This one is $14. Another thing that I would say about this is I didn't have to use a lot for my hair to feel clean. As for number 5, which is the bond maintenance conditioner, I use this right after I rinse the shampoo out of my hair. This is the product that I would pass on. I don't really feel like this product was necessary. I don't really feel like it did that much for my hair. It didn't feel moisturizing, but the conditioner, I don't know, I just wasn't impressed by it, especially since I was so impressed by the shampoo. I was expecting the conditioner to wow me as well, but it just kind of fell flat. I would pass on this. Again, this one is the smaller size. I could have just ran water in my hair and it would have felt the same as putting this conditioner in my hair. Like, it didn't do anything. So I would definitely pass on the number 5 bond maintenance conditioner. The last 2 products that I'm going to show you guys are number 7, which is the bonding oil, and number 8, which is the Bond Intense Moisture Mask. So what I want to say about these 2 products first is that I don't understand why this is number 7 and this is number 8. I feel like they should be in the reverse order. This should be your last step, right? Because you want to put the oil on your hair after you deep condition it. That's just my thoughts. Since this is number 7, I'll go ahead and start with this one. This oil, I really like. This is actually my second bottle of this oil, and the reason why is because I lost my first bottle. The reason that I love this is because it is so lightweight. I almost never put oil on my hair when it is straight because oils tend to like really weigh my hair down, and I just don't like for my hair to feel oily and just stiff when it's straight. But this oil, it is, like I said, it's very lightweight. It does not weigh my hair down at all. I love that it has UV protection in it, so it's protecting your hair from being damaged by the sun. It also is a heat protectant, so I actually put this on my hair after I blow dry it. It's good. Like, it doesn't feel weighed down at all. As you can see, my hair does have movement. I will also put this oil like at the ends of my hair every 2 or 3 days when I feel like my ends are feeling just like a little bit dry. And again, as you guys can see, my ends still have movement. This also adds a really nice shine to my hair. I like this, like, and you only need a tiny little bit. And this, even though it's a small bottle, it'll last you so long because you only need the smallest little bit. This is one of the products that I would highly recommend out of this line. Everybody can use a hair oil. This is a really good one. So if you guys were interested, I would say pick this up. And then lastly, we have number 8, which is our Bond Intense Moisture Mask. So this says that it moisturizes, smooths, and adds body and shine. This is a really good moisture mask. The only thing that I don't like is how little you get in here, and that's because I use a lot of this product, and it's because I use it like a deep conditioner. When I deep condition my hair, I tend to put a lot of it in my hair because I feel like I need to. Like, when I put this in my hair, it feels very good. It feels super duper moisturizing. With this, I feel like you don't need the number 5 conditioner. Like I said, I didn't feel like this did anything anyway. So skip the number 5 conditioner and just get the number 8 Intense Moisture Mask, because this left my hair just feeling so good. Like, even after I rinsed my hair out, it felt like my hair felt like silk as I was rinsing this Intense Moisture Mask. I keep wanting to call it a deep conditioner because to me that's what it is, an Intense Moisture Mask. I think deep conditioner, but my hair literally felt like silky smooth when I was rinsing this deep conditioner out. It felt so good. It was super easy to detangle. Like, I almost had no tangles in my hair. I do feel like this is one of the reasons why my hair feels so silky smooth after I've straightened it, is because of this product. Those are my thoughts on the Olaplex line. If you guys have tried any of the Olaplex products, let me know your thoughts of them down below in the comments. That's it. If you guys have any questions for me about any of the products that I showed you all today, then feel free to leave your questions down below in the comment section. I am more than happy to answer any questions that I can. Again, I am not a professional. I can only tell you about my experience. So as always, thank you guys so much for tuning in today. Thank you so much for watching. And if you have not already, make sure you click that subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up if you like this type of content. And I will see you guys next time. Bye.